Hello guys, I'm really excited to shoot in this video because in this video I wanted to share with you some tips and ideas how to spend your unforgettable vacation or trip or journey to other area. So I'll give you my feedback. I was in Montenegro just a month ago and it was unforgettable spending time there because of some preparation of mine. And I decided to make this video because I know a few people who always tell me that vacation was pretty good, but I didn't notice some facts that might be ruining my vacation, and that's why I thought that I should probably share with you guys some exact tips that would help you 100% not to ruin your vacation and to make it more positive and unbelievable, like a fairy tale. So first tip that you should probably know, but my friends miss this tip just because they think they will fix it in other country, in other area, but I guess this is really personal for you guys that will probably save your life. So this is your medicine. So it doesn't matter if you have enough time to prepare some medical equipment or not. You should always be ready that in other country you will face with another climate and another food and some other unpredictable situation. You should always remember that your medicine, your personal medicine that helps you in this area will also help you and save your life and save your moments in other country. So don't forget to put in your baggage some tablets from ache of head, of stomach, some other really personal tablets that you should probably have. I bet, guys, it's a real bad situation if you don't have medicine, because you're in other country. Maybe you don't know the language, maybe you don't know where the pharmacy is, and so on and so forth. So please take any medicine that you will have with you. The third tip that I would say, it depends on each and every of us, but it's about your baggage. It's about your clothes, basically. Actually, I've been abroad with a big baggage several times, and so I had a minimal number of my stuff. And when I was in Montenegro, I decided to put each and every shirts, pants, everything from my closet, in 7 days. So I had all my closet on me. But guys, this is probably won't work if you're traveling to another country just to take a sunbath. Your baggage is really important in this situation when you're like a tourist who wants just to drink beer in the bar. Another tip probably connects with the tablets that you will might be needed. I'm really advise you guys not to get over food. What do I mean? Friends who traveling in another country with another food, and they're obsessed with idea to taste something new, something typical for this area, and they go really over food. They eat a lot from morning till till the from morning to the another morning. So, and they feel badly anytime, and they don't wanna to do anything. They feel really sick, and this is just because we don't know specify of the food of this area, and that's why we have a lot of problems with our stomachs and other unpleasant moments. So please guys, don't try to get as much as you can in your stomach. It will reflect your stomach so badly. And the last but not least hint for this video: if you're traveling by car or in your journey you're gonna spend a lot of time in one place, I recommend you to prepare a good music for your phone, for your laptop, to listen it to into your journey. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I was really excited to share my tips, my personal tips to you guys. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye bye, have a good time.